Alright, so you're going to log into Blackboard, go to our class, and then under Content, you're going to see Preparing for Class, and then I have some things for you here. One that you might find useful is the Respondus Start Guide, which is kind of like a how-to really briefly. Here is the link to download the Respondus Lockdown browser. So you'll need to download the browser to your computer and install it. Once it's installed, you will then log into the browser, then log into Blackboard and go to Module 1 and click on this link for the exam. But you have to log in through the Lockdown browser.